want to take this moment with our community and the Nutra family to announce a few initiatives that we at Schechter are proud to launch in Omer's honor. 1, an annual award will be presented to a graduating senior who exemplifies the qualities that Omer embodied: compassion, resilience, leadership, integrity, and commitment to Judaism. This award will honor a student whose actions and character inspire those around them and leave a lasting positive impact on the school community. 2, we'll be awarding a scholarship to all Schechter seniors who choose to spend a year at a program in Israel upon graduating our high school. Through this scholarship, we honor Omer's legacy by fostering curiosity, connection, and commitment to the land and people of Israel who he fought and defended for, ensuring his values continue to guide and inspire our students. And last, we are thinking about something much bigger than our school, something that brings our entire Jewish community together. We will look to establish a Omer Nutra Legacy Fund to support these initiatives, dedicated to supporting and aligned with the values Omer championed and the vision he believed in. This fund will provide resources for school programs and those outside that we look to foster in our communities. This will represent leadership and Zionism, qualities that Omer exemplified in his life. By supporting these initiatives, the fund will ensure that Omer's mission continues to inspire, uplift future generations at the Schechter School of Omer.